Hello friends, let's talk about float and double data type. So, both of them we use for decimal numbers in Java programming. So what's the difference? Double used for large and more precise decimal numbers. Float, we use float for decimal numbers but less precise and takes up less memory than double. Let's try this. I come here, I say float speed and then I say 100.5. So as you see, I got an error. What's the error? The error is cannot convert from double to float. So we must add f at the end of the number to tell the Java it's float. If I put f, you see error disappears. If I run it, I save it and then I kill this terminal. I open new terminal and then I say cd5 float double and then I compile it and then I run it. You see 100.5 appears. Super. So what I need to do, I need to put lowercase f or uppercase f. It doesn't matter. So if I put uppercase f, I compile and run again, you see the same result. If I don't want to use this kind of letter, so what I need to do, I need to use double data type. So I delete this f, I save it and I compile and run it. You see 100.5. So which one I prefer? I prefer double. I don't want to put f for every number. So I explain again. We use float and double for decimal numbers, but the difference is we need to put lowercase f or uppercase f when we use float data type. When we use double data type, we don't need to put f. We just assign a decimal number to the double. Okay, I hope you understand. When we want to print it, we just use this variable name inside the println or print function. Super.